with a special thing today. I'm going to show you how to make a DIY moisturizer at home easily. So without any late, let's go into the
recipe.
Let's go into the ingredients and look how it goes. So we need firstly a glass bowl which is safe and heat proof. So I have taken here 1 cup of organic olive oil. It should be organic. So it's better if you prefer organic because you're gonna use it on your body and face. So I recommend you using organic. And this is half cup of organic
coconut oil.
Yes, this is organic coconut oil. And this is a main ingredient in this recipe, and this is beeswax. So this beeswax is also organic, and I have used it with the brand Awaken Nature. So this is the brand I have used, and I got it from Amazon like last year. So if you want, I can leave the link in the description below, and you can check it out. And if you want to buy that, so you can use any kind of oil. This is peppermint oil because I like using this oil because it smells so great. And we also need vitamin E oil. So vitamin E is also very important for your skin and face. So it's better using any brand, but it should be organic vitamin E oil, and this is also from the Amazon. If you want, I can leave the link below the description. So we need an empty bottle to save this moisturizer, and this is very easy. So now I'll show you how to make this in an easy way. So let's first put this olive oil in it.
That's so much.
Yeah.
There's so much oil.
So this is olive oil. Next we are gonna add the coconut oil.
I'll do it.
So in the meanwhile, when we are adding all these ingredients in a bowl, make sure we are gonna do this in a double broiler process. We are not gonna heat this directly because it's not good to heat any oil directly on the stove. So we are gonna do in the double boiler process. So better you make the water heat ready, and then we can do the double boiling process. That's the reason we have taken this glass bowl, so to keep it safe. And also add these beeswax pellets and mix all together. And now we are gonna do the boil. So here our water is ready, it's boiling, you can see it's boiling. Now I'm gonna keep this bowl on top of that, and in this method we're gonna melt all this oil and the pellets. You can see the beeswax pellets, it takes a little bit of time to melt. So let's melt all of this until the beeswax is totally melted properly and mixed well in this oil. And the coconut oil doesn't take much time, as you all know. It doesn't take much time to melt.
It looks so good.
So as the winter is approaching now, it's better to make our own moisturizer at home. This moisturizer is very good. You can also make it in a big bottle and then store it for whole year.
So
my beeswax pellets are all melted properly. You can see here it's all transparent.
What? Where
So
are
you can
all
off
the
the
beans?
stove now
Where are all the
and
beans?
keep it aside, and once it's cooled down you can remove this glass bowl and put it on the side and make it cool. And make sure you keep stirring when it's getting cold, because it starts getting hardening starting from the edges and then it goes harder in the center. So make sure you keep on stirring this when it's getting cold once in a while in between. And it's better if you want to transfer in any kind of jar or any kind of storage box you wanted to store this oil. So just transfer it in this stage so that you don't need to have a mess keeping this oil into the, when it is hard it's very difficult for you to transfer into a bowl or a storage bottle. So it's better once it is like in room temperature, like when you bear the heat to remove this, just remove it and put it on the side and then start pouring it. It's better using glass bowls, because it's when it is hot you're not supposed to use any plastic kind of bowls or bottles to store this oil. And once it is cool, I will show you how to add the vitamin and when to add the vitamin E oil and also the essential oil for good aroma. You can see my oil is getting warm and it's getting hard on the bottom. So this is how it gets getting hard. When it gets cool, it slowly starts getting harder and in this consistency, as you can see. So now I'm gonna add 8 to 9 drops of vitamin E oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in this stage, if you also want to use any kind of essential oils, I can also use. I'm using Art Naturals brand pure and natural peppermint oil. So I'll be just using 2 to 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now give it a good mix slowly. So it keeps on getting harder like this. So once you mix it well, again when it starts cooling down, again it starts getting harder. Then you can fill in any type of these containers and store it, and it lasts long, even for a year, without any kind of problem. So let us cool some more, then we will get the consistency. I will show you how it looks like. See, I'm using this container and I'm adding all the cream in it. It gets more harder. It gets more harder when it gets cold. See, as you can see, when it's getting hard, it looks like this. So when you rub into your hands, this is how it looks. And it stays on your hand until night. If you apply after your shower, it stays very soft and moist until night. So you can see my cream is getting thicker. So this is how it looks when it gets hard, and it gets more harder and harder when it comes cold. So here the cream is ready to go and use it as needed.